10 years before the legendary Honda Odyssey was introduced, there was an even more legendary Honda Odyssey you've never heard of. The Honda Odyssey FL350, a full suspension, two-stroke, single-seater buggy that had so many issues, Honda stopped selling it after only 1 year in 1985. Now, almost 40 years later, the Honda Odyssey FL350 is back. One of life's greatest pleasures is lowballing people on Facebook Marketplace. You either get a great reaction or a great deal. It's always a win-win. But today was special. I was scrolling Facebook Marketplace and found one of the rarest karts in the world, a Honda Odyssey FL350. This one has a cherry red frame, Fox suspension, and custom extended swing arms. It's perfect for a conversion. So I've actually arranged a meetup with the seller and I'm about to head out. But first, I just want you to know there are only 2 days left to enter my ETM Mini 5000 giveaway. If you want a chance to win this amazing 72-volt electric pit bike, there's only 2 days left to enter, and you can do that in the description. And if you'd like automatic entry into every giveaway I run, you can also consider the membership program, which is also linked below. Right now, let's go rent a trailer and check out that Honda.
What's up, man? Good to meet you. Same here, man. Oh, it looks so good. Wow, this thing's so cool looking.
But this is actually the same engine that they put in the Suzuki LT400 quad.
I love the exhaust on it.
They usually have on the handlebars, they have straps where you put your hands inside, so that way your hands don't accidentally fall out if you roll over.
No way. And then that's your brake right there?
It doesn't have the original straps for it.
And that's your throttle.
That's the throttle. Obviously, it's little C's.
This is crazy. Yeah, we're gonna do a lot of work on it for sure. I'd love to keep the switch working. That'd be super cool. Nothing a little glue can't fix. Yeah, I want to keep it as original as possible. Yeah, no, I'm ready. Let's do it. Let's load it up. This is crazy. This is the craziest thing I've ever bought. Check out the new toy.
It comes with a Ziploc bag and everything.
I mean, you're not wrong, but you didn't have to say it.
What do you think?
Oh, there's so much space. Oh, nice. You left the original steering wheel.
Even has the switches on it.
Yeah, this is going to be more exciting than all the other stuff. You know? It's awesome.
Yeah, that means a lot coming from you. Wow. In the meantime, you can try this out. Ooh. Oh. So I'm leaving this kart with Domo for a couple days. It doesn't run at all. It's a 4-stroke engine that needs a lot of work, but it's a roller as far as I'm concerned. So just like with this kart, the 72-volt full-size RC car, we're gonna make this 72 volts, we're gonna make it run, and then maybe we'll double the voltage for the next video. I love these things. It's like impossible not to have fun in these. So this is the type of motor we put on the razers and other mini bikes. It's small but surprisingly powerful. This is a Sur-On motor. We're all familiar with this. Lots of 72-volt go-karts use these motors. Super powerful. But here's what we're gonna put in this kart. Look at the size of this motor. That's my hand. The phase wires are as big as my thumb. This thing is an absolute unit of a motor. Biggest motor I've ever seen in person, besides like a Tesla motor. And we're throwing this right on the kart. No way. No way! Uphill too! You got it. Yeah! Whoa! Let's go! Hey, at least we didn't have to burn any calories and push it.
It's the next day. Domo's got the cart. He's working hard on it. It's my job to figure out another way to transport it because that U-Haul was a bitch to load. So I'm actually going back to U-Haul to measure out some alternatives. And I've got quite a few bikes to choose from today. And I think I got to go with the ETM Mini. Right past the cop. I love this bike. It is so nice for riding in the streets. Small but powerful. Now I'm giving this bike away in 3 days. If you want a chance to win a brand new ETM Mini 5000, you can enter to win the giveaway in the description, but there's only 3 days left for this one. And if you're interested in entering all upcoming giveaways, you can consider the membership, which is also down below. So this is the trailer I had rented, and what's deceiving is that it's advertised as 6 feet wide, which it is, but it's not 6 feet wide at the entrance. Now this is exactly what I needed. Let me just measure it to be sure. Cool. I'm just gonna take a brief moment in this video to give an e-bike away to somebody who I think really deserves it. Armando is homeless. He saved up for over a year to buy an e-bike because he has a disability that limits his mobility, so even a pedal bike, it's hard to get around on. He saved up for over a year for an e-bike and it was stolen within a month. And he showed me the security footage. It's terrible. He went running after them and injured himself in the process. I talk to him all the time when I get food. He watches my bike for me when I leave it outside. So I'm on my way right now to give him this Engwe. How you doing, bro? Got some Chipotle?
Yeah, it's a quesadilla.
Hell yeah. I want to give you this bike. If you take this, fold it in half. If you want to put it somewhere, when you pedal, it'll give you power, or there's the thumb throttle. So then you don't even have to pedal.
How many watts is this?
This is 750 watts. Yeah, it's the strongest that you can ride.
Hey, biking is a miracle for me.
Domo's been working on the Honda for only a couple days. Let's see how it's looking.
Look at this hard-working guy. I got some munchies for you. That motor is big. You're saying like they upgraded the swing arms and stuff, but like poorly?
Attempted to upgrade it. Fronts are okay. The rear, I mean, look at where the axle's like just crooked as fuck.
Wow, that's weird. Yeah, that's wanky. Wait, so I don't get it. Like, do you think they thought that was a good idea, or
No, they just thought it was a good idea. They just, execution is poor. I mean, everything is just poor. They tried to weld part of the cage over here and gave up.
Wait, so what are you saying are like the main things that need to be done?
Basically, the entire rear drivetrain. How this all geometry, they wanted to be straighter at least. The rest of it, it's not too bad. It's just a tedious pain in the ass.
Sheesh.
Does it look like it's remote control by any chance?
Wow, look at this. Wow. Honda FL350. So we're gonna need to basically rebuild the rear end.
I would definitely figure out if these shocks are completely boned. So it's
Look
like
how
sitting
slow
on
it's screwed
compressed.
down. Yeah. But we got the BAC 8000 on there, wired with these thumb-thick phase wires. Look at that. It's insane. Going to this motor that is just unreal. Look at that.
Plus, if you do go to the desert part, we also have to add the water cooling.
Water cooling would be badass. That motor, like, it's been sitting around for so long and it's so big, we haven't been sure what to put it on, but I think it looks really good on here. I feel like this is finally a worthy use of it.
Yeah, it felt it out. That's for sure.
Yeah, right?
If you look here, it looks like they just set the ball joint on top.
I wasn't looking at these details when I picked it up. I was like, oh, it looks like a cool cart. What if I got 4 batteries and we ran 2 in parallel, 2 in series?
Yeah, we could probably do that. That'd be even better.
So we've got a spoiler that's gonna come on soon. That's gonna look so good. That's gonna really give it like a nice buggy look.
I do want to get more street tires though.
Street tires would be badass, but I think we should first burn these out in the dirt.
That's if they last.
Yeah, they'll last like 10 minutes in the dirt.
Like cracking your dry rod.
Yeah. All right, well, this thing is badass, and I think we're gonna just have to see it run in the next video. There's gonna be a lot done to it. As always, thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned.
Yeah.